Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Just ride slow. Rolling, aku belakang, okay? Yang dia ada tu just chill lah. Other than that, tak ada apa-apa. Okay? Nas, bring them along. Okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dah. Okay, let's go. Oh, welcome to another episode of Sogoan TV. We are over at Galunggung. Oh. It is 8 a.m. right now. Going to be some nice ride. Introductory right. Suspension nice, all nice, brake nice, air pressure nice, super sketchy, beautiful. Alright. Oh, erosion banyak juga. Initial ride just got everything pumping. Well, forecast is going to be super nice in the morning, but it gets rain later, just afternoon. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, perhaps. But there is not to rain at all. Because the trail is super loose there. Some wild boar. Monkey. Beautiful. We reached the key line. I caught the root there. Super nice. Ooh. It's not harsh at all. Missed the entrance. Coming. All right. Let's go. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ada. Minor maintenance here. Okay, today volunteered to be a sweeper. Oh man, that loose soil just caught me. Oh really? Wow, I think the tire is a little too hot. It feels nice, but it felt strange at the same time. Nice and beautiful. Oh no,
Let's go to the top.
I didn't realize it's